raise to the sky, let these haters read between the lines. My routine is fine, and it's gon' pay off. Always on the run, and I'm never taking a day off. And I feel like I'm practicing for a playoff, so I'm going hard until my stacks run overflow and chart. Yeah, you need to be my one priority, and I gave you all my love, most importantly. But at the end of the day, we both know weather's gon' change, and sometimes you ain't always packing accordingly.